Why don't BJP party is also scammed by the government? Some up from BJP was also paid for the admission.
I want to change
The seat. अच्छा सीट चेंज करनी है सो देख लो भाई राघव चड्डा बननी है राघव चड्डा ने भी सीट चेंज कर ली थी
in the parliament when it is not in power and when it is I think when they get
मैं पहलगाम का बदला लूंगा मुझे साथ मिलेगा क्या मुझे वोट मिलेगा क्या
connection is also too good. If you get any help you can help from our international friends like any country or something. And before that there is no
the women safety we are working on women safety okay did you hear about the that one एक leader है the leader name was Thakre
there are too many unemployed people they can
were
sell,
unemployed people
yes sir, they can sell flowers and they can sell clothes in that in near that temple and it start their business.
So many
And
shops
their livelihood.
in temples when people
It is
making
the
money.
future. The government spend more money on the temple.
on making temples and temples
Making temples and everywhere. And every street you see.
don't you think people are spending don't you think BJP spended lots of time lots of money on making the temple of Ram considering the current political party who is the best leader who will be the best leader and who should lead our country India as we know that political is not just about any leader it affects our daily life your jobs daily jobs economics employment national security technology and development corruption random speech these are the main topics on what we are going to discuss on all right so are you all ready one by one we will be going to start from
Their infrastructure of the government schools are too good than before. So I think education system is good.
what do you say Gagan
sir because if old times teachers are not educated
Teachers were not educated.
but perfectly but this time teachers are well educated
yeah
because of teachers made because the paper of examination it is very good when teachers is very good because
so
of it.
that is why you say that educational system there is nothing to change education system is good is
yes,
it
sir. But
And
old times is good kyunki
it is better than previous
yes
Yes.
what do you say Vikrant
Sir, education system is good, better than before.
better than oh yeah
Yes, sir. Like, after that changing, but many innovation, education related, and I think is good is before time.
Overall you are saying that education system is good in India there is nothing to be changed right
It is
Yes.
not about nothing to change because the changes is step by step. It is not done with
okay
one
let me discuss and what do you Didi, what do you say they are saying that education system is good
Sir, as my opposition talk about the education system is better from before. But I think it is not better because many schools, government school is stopped in UP sector, UP place, and I think many poor students are not available to go out in private school and earn the education because many schools are stopped.
people understand them they are saying that before some time there was no educated teacher was it
Yes, sir.
and right now there are lots of educated teacher in government sector in private sector as well so there is nothing to be changed is it
I am not talking about infrastructure. I am talking about education. Education is not properly here because it's a time of AI machines and so on. So if you see any books, there is no AI related knowledge who provide the student.
These students will go and take education because if a person who has money who is able to educate their children in the private school and private school is totally corrupted because there is the one tie up shops and their dress already purchased from these shops and all things are pressure to the parents now before 2 or 3 days, you all see one video about a principal. He shouted the parents. Get
Yeah,
out
she
from
shouted at
here.
parents. Yeah, exactly.
Get out from the years and cut the child's name in the register.
From the register.
That is not the way of the.
That was not the right way. Yep.
It is the totally because the.
But human awareness is many people different things. But every school, private schools, government schools, parents will be approached.
The government spend more money on the temple.
On making temples,
Making temples and everywhere. And every street you see that one temple around the 4 house, 5 house, every street and every gully.
Has street has mandir temple, right?
What is the use of these?
Temple.
If our government want to new education structure like a school or hospital, but there is no. There is
Firstly, you have to understand the meaning first. That what actually are they concluding? What actually are they saying? So Savita Didi said that BJP is only focusing on the temples in India. If you go outside, you will find the lots of temples. There's a temple in UP. What is that? Ram Mandir. They focused on making Ram Mandir and spent lots of money making Ram Mandir. So
There are too many unemployed people. They can
were
sell-
unemployed people.
Yes, sir. They can sell flowers and they can sell clothes in that in near that temple and it start their business.
So many
And
shops
their livelihood.
in temples when people
It is
making
the future
money.
of
It is that making Ram Mandir temple is good for India, was a good decision for our India, because we have made as we have made the Ram Mandir, their employment rate has increased. What do you think?
Sir,
Are they right?
I think God's Ram Mandir made BJP. It was right. These people believe in God's, but
For those believe in God.
God, but
Do you believe in God?
not. I'm
Okay,
not-
just continue,
I'm
continue.
not believing.
Mm.
Because I think people needs better education, healthcare issue.
Instead of getting aesthetic things, right? Am I right? Instead of learning Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar, they should learn the educational topics. Am I right?
People, BJP will do some work.
BJP should do something
Should like education, healthcare.
on the sector of education,
yeah.
healthcare,
But not do
but
because
are not working on that.
Because he want
They want.
or our BJP party increases not think ki people awareness increase.
Gangaram was trying to say that first of all he is not aesthetic. He doesn't believe in God. I think right now I don't know. I also so it doesn't matter that he believes or not. He was actually putting a topic that saying कि BJP is only working on making the temples and making our India's people on that situation, so that people could not go to the main topics. If you are telling somebody that believe in God, so he believe only in God, he will not think about the social issues like education, economic, employment. If you said somebody, you go to the room and live here in this room, he could not see environment of outside. So that actually Gangaram is trying to say BJP is working on that they are making fight between Hindu and Muslim. So actually he was putting the topic of Hindu and Muslim.
Yes.
Was that correct?
Sir, India is a country of both development and culture. And building temples, it doesn't mean we are stopping stopping our development.
What do you say?
We are
हाँ,
our
please.
culture and
I want
creation.
to change
The seat.
Canada.
अच्छा सीट चेंज करनी है सो देख लो भाई राघव चड्डा बन नहीं है राघव चड्डा ने भी सीट चेंज कर ली थी अरे कोई भी चीज़ है मेन चीज़ तो ये नहीं आपने पार्टी स्ट्रॉन्ग देखी चेंज कर लिया
स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं देखी, इधर से स्ट्रॉन्ग थी तो मेरे को उधर से पॉइंट आ गया।
Okay, you have to put your discussion hard. So just come over here. तुम इधर जाने प्लीज कम ओवर हियर
In the lead of BJP.
Okay, I disagree.
हाँ just
Very safe women.
women you are talking about women safety women
Half month child is not safe in our India.
half month child here it's a point
In BJP era.
in BJP era
Yeah.
in ruling of BJP even a half years
Every second one person, I think I'm sorry.
a woman is
A
raped
woman is raped, even child is not
even a
safe.
second
Yes, but government works on them.
how the government is working
Because अभी मतलब in Hyderabad one woman police मतलब
हाँ.
वो area सही नहीं है.
हाँ
मतलब there is a
that area was not good
that area was
or
not good.
secure.
Yes, that area was not good and secure, and people are saying that
People
there
were
are
saying-
many, there are many boys comment to the girls, so that
commenting to the girls yeah
commenting to the girls that so मतलब many cases profile many cases
registered was registered
on police station that one police woman came there, go there and means go
Arrest them.
no she was undercover
within civil dress.
हाँ exactly she was undercover actually incident was she was trying that there was a IAS lady and she got lots of cases related with that area there was a boy wandering at the night and molesting the girls at night so that IAS lady took a decision to go in civil dress so one night she went there in civil dress and you know in 1 hour more than 24 boys approached her
No sir, 40 boys approached.
40 boys approached her so that was a shameless thing so she is trying to say behalf of you
What about that? Means safety.
नहीं actually
क्योंकि वो चीज में वर्क तो हो रहा है ना कि पुलिस वुमेन गई वहाँ पे जाके
so how was the work she went there what was the change
40 जो भी 40 पीपल्स थे वहाँ के तो वो आए पुलिस में तो वो लोगों को एक वार्निंग दी गई तो इससे सब चेंज होगा ना
was the warning was enough
Only warning.
Warning was enough?
They again argument on the women's and there is because the BJP time it is the mostly मतलब very high level
हाँ
raised because the leaders already raped and they are excused from the police and
I put a strong topic. Huh? You all are talking about BJP's parties. And BJP on the ruling of BJP, the women's safety. We are working on women's safety. Okay. Did you hear about that one? एक leader है. The leader name was Thakre. Did you hear? Huh? Manohar Thakre. Did you hear the cases related with that on the highway?
Yeah.
Did you hear?
मैं देखा हूँ लेकिन
But yeah, actually we stood up there. हमें पता होना चाहिए. So there was a case on highway. So there was something misbehaved. Means both of them. There was a Uddhav Thackeray.
catch us and punish the people.
Punishing the people. Okay. So I got my point. That point was that how many of you heard about Thakar? Manohar Thakar. How many of you heard about his case? His case was about a highway. On highway, he did wrong activities on highway. In the middle of highway at the night, he did wrong activities with a girl. And openly it was. He was the BJP leader. What about that?
पनिश भी तो किया गया ना
How was he punished? What was the punishment? Do you know? He just resigned, but still he is getting. But still he is getting. Still he is getting. क्या कहते हैं उसे जो नौकरी के बाद मिलती है? हाँ, still he is getting pension. What about that?
If you all
No punishment.
No, there was no punishment. It was just a resignation. He just resigned. And every cases related with BJP parties, they always resign. They don't work, and after some time they again go in any position. We are just talking the health minister of Bihar, and who was from BJP. You know, the health minister of Bihar already composes with their health. मतलब कि मेरे ख्याल से वो गंजेड़ी है या जो भी है, या पता नहीं, उसका हेल्थ खुद खराब है. तो ऐसे बीजेपी के लीडर, he is the BJP's leader, and his health is also not good, and he is the health minister.
Sir, also see in
Means there is manmani in BJP.
yes sir. Also
There is manmani. If you are अगर आप उनके खिलाफ कुछ बोलती, if you talk something against them, वो पेट्रोल चला देंगे आपके घर पे.
in Punjab
हाँ.
farmer
हाँ. Farmer was
वो जब फसल जल गया था तो अगेंस्ट में बोले रहे तो
हाँ.
पुलिस वालों ने अरेस्ट किया.
हाँ, there was a case of BJP. Means when there was a BJP, right? In the ruling of BJP, na, there in the ruling of BJP, when in Punjab the crops were destroyed with the fire, and they protest against on this topic. So BJP's party, not because of BJP's party, because action was given by the BJP party, BJP leader, na. So because of BJP parties, they all were arrested.
It also
And they were putting their only point कि I just want my we just want my हक को क्या बोलते हैं? What is
Right.
हक? We just want our right. हमें बस थोड़ा सा compensation चाहिए. Because Punjab is the place who is giving us crops.
yes sir.
So government should think about this one.
It also paper leak.
There was
Paper leak to YouTube teachers are
exactly when there was paper leaked, and Khan sir and there was more teachers protested against that why paper was leaked. What was the flaws here by the management team of education? मैनेजमेंट टीम की एजुकेशन का क्या फ्लॉज था यहाँ पे कि पेपर हैड लीक्ड, क्या बोलते हैं, क्या लीक्ड देयर.
Sir, these are all a serious crime, but putting a single party in these are not a good thing.
Yes.
So who's about this? Who's one about this?
You means you want to tell.
Should I say Congress too? If ruling party is BJP, should I go to the Congress? That why did you do this?
How could you say that if Congress is ruling this party, this is all?
It's a decision of them, na. It's the decision of them. If you are living here, you right now I'm here. Okay, right now I'm the leader of here. Okay, and when something is wrong here, you should come to me or go to my team, backend team.
Of course,
Should to me or backend team. Where? Of course they will come to me, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is what na, कि if something is wrong, so it was not wrong by other party. अगर हो भी सकता है, it may be by the other party, so definitely we will be talking about BJP na, because they are ruling na. So definitely we will go to there and ask something कि अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ, अगर हुआ भी है तो हमें इस पे मदद करो, हेल्प करो. They will ask something like that. तो भावना is saying something क्या?
ऐसा कुछ होता,
If something is like that,
that every paper was leaked, but right now some papers are leaked.
some papers were leaked.
Some paper was leaked. What about all papers? If all papers are leaked, there
Were
are so
leaked.
many exams happen like NEET, CA, and JEE mains. So all papers was leaked.
Should we? All people supposed to leak. What about that?
Yes, all paper are leaked. That's why Khan sir and Neetu madam against the education
Who told you? Who told you that all people would tell me the details?
NEET and IS because the
Okay,
high level
only
of
this
education
time- only
is
this
IS,
time-
IPS,
Hmm.
and that paper if leaked, then normal paper is generally leaked.
It is very usual.
Papers.
Court examination, it is the
It was the.
high person who has the money.
Sir, first of all,
50% seats are already set out.
yeah, but
I don't. BJP party is also scammed by the government. What about that? As
College.
no, I'm not talking about. It is about school. I was in school. When I was in school, I used to pay for admission,
Yeah, sir.
and he is also he was also paid for the admission, and some from BJP was also paid for the admission. Everywhere is admission fees is paid. So just let me know, was I scammed with them? It is about BJP or Congress. Just let me know. It is about, was it about? Is there any admission fees in government?
Sir, school fees,
Ah.
meal fees, dress fees, and books fees.
Huh.
It's totally free.
Yeah, these all were totally free. No, it was also paid. I paid.
no, sir, it's
I paid for admission and admission. They were also directing the management. I had receipt. मेरे पास receipt थी that was given me when I paid them the fees. The fees of 10th class were, I think, 2,1800 something.
Maybe for examination or management.
I don't know, but it was ना कि I paid the fees.
Republic, the authority.
हाँ वो चलो भाई अगर यहाँ पे मैंने अपने हक के लिए कह दिया, इसने कह दिया तो प्रोटेस्ट कर दिया, हाँ पुलिस आ जाएंगी, क्या पता कल को हमारे घर पे बुलडोजर चल जाए. That's why we are not raising our issue. Just जाने दो 1800 रुपए 2000 रुपए. In 10th class there was 2071 something, and I think in 12th class was that, I don't remember. But in the initial, when I went there for admission, I paid the fees.
Yes, sir.
From the BJP, one of the BJP one also paid the fees. What about you?
Nagan तुमने नहीं दिया था?
Guarantee.
connection is also too good. If you get any help, you can help from our international friends like any country or something. And before that, there is no be a strong international connection as at that time.
As far as I know.
As far as I know.
BJP,
there are
sir, it
too
is a
many
fault
things.
of 1 to 2 women because it is a mindset of not good. So it is not fault of BJP.
But it was the decision was taken from the main leader, which is Modi, na,
Sir, there are too
that
many-
he should be the
Because international relations, somebody is informed the people that there is the many people comes and stay together.
This
That's why
who
this
PM
type of
Modi
incidents
likes.
happen at that place.
And you know-
information is going from our country to other.
and behalf of this all incident, PM Modi asked for vote. कि तुम मुझे वोट दो, मैं तुम्हें सिंदूर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर कराऊंगा. मतलब कि तो ऐसी समथिंग था कि ऐसे था. मेरे ख्याल से स्टेटमेंट कैसा था कि नहीं कि मुझे मैं सबको मार दूंगा, मुझे साथ मिलेगा क्या, मैं पहलगाम का बदला लूंगा, मुझे साथ मिलेगा क्या, मुझे वोट मिलेगा क्या.
Not is one time,
Every time they ask for vote.
Then come for election.
हाँ.
Then we do BJP party religions, casteism.
Exactly, they are only talking about religions and caste.
Can you please prove me when the Congress is running this country, how could you say that there is nothing to happen in this country?
BJP weakness is not accepted